Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon.
Distracted by it. Yeah, but you.
Morning, Raja.
Good morning, Reno. Good morning, Abugvu.
Morning, Raja.
Hey, man, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How you doing? How's Pakistan
Oh,
today?
fantastic. Pakistan is getting a little cold over here, getting a little chilly.
It's getting really hot here in Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, it's just starting over there. It's like 27 degrees here today.
Not talking to you.
Looks like pound yen is also starting to get hot over here now. This candle is about to close. Oh, we're early today. All right, let's put on the masking tape on everybody here. There we go. Much better. All right, 15-minute candle has closed. 30-minute candle has closed. 1 hour is pushing up, but the previous 1 hour candle has no wick at the top. 30-minute is it's very risky. This is a rejection area till 156.950. So this is the month close here. This is the week close. No one should be in a rush to take a trade today.
Hey Raja, what's up?
Hey man, how's it going?
Yeah, good. How's Pakistan?
Good,
How's
good
life?
man. Good. Hey, I'm sorry I wanted to be a guest on your thing, but the times just didn't match up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I keep following up your IG. Like, you're pretty busy and you're doing a lot of good things there. I'm surprised. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of things over here.
It's been a while.
Yes, sir. How are things on your end? Good? You good?
Yeah, good. Very good.
Nice. All right. Gold price action is just not too good at all. It's not good. Not at all. These are the days where you just ask yourself that, is this a good day to trade? And then the question is going to be, is this a good day to trade gold? In my eyes, the answer is going to be no. No. Too much happening, too much consolidation. Nothing. You need clean ranges. Maybe if you can break below 1792, you can look right over here. This is going to be a very clean range right here. We have this big wick to fill down here. Clean range. But if you look at the same thing going up, all this is just stupid. This is just nothing. Traffic jam, rush hour traffic, can't go. No, need this area right here. This is better. Top one is better. Let me just do this. This is better. This is better. That's it. And this is why guys say, hey, you have to wait for the trade to come to you, right? So you need price to come down over here so that you can look for executions for it to move in this clean area down at this point. All this is just stupid right here. Makes no sense at all. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, I don't like the way the previous candle closed. I mean, if this was a much bullish candle, like a stronger bullish candle, that's going to be good. Is GJ correcting dump? Well, we need to break above this area to correct that dump. Daily is up. 4 hour is very bullish. We're about to close in about 2.5 hours. 1 hour is about to close in 26 minutes. 30-minute. Yeah. Not too sure. May want a price to kind of like close above 156.900 for it to continue bullish. You can see we have enough. We have like a 19-20 pip range over here on pound yen. So if I was someone trading or looking for a trade, I wouldn't be looking to actively trade today. Maybe from next week, because that's the start of the month, would make sense. But man, right here, no. Look, we go to the monthly. How many hours are left for the monthly candle to close? It says 10 hours. 10 hours left. Is it wise to trade today? It's the end of the month, also considering the economic news and yeah. Andy Gibran, Andy Gibran. I think he has his speakers turned off right now. All right, what's this? Let's take a look at this over here. We don't want to lose your previous weeks on live streams ever again, so I have saved them in the best resolution and uploaded. Oh, wow, okay. You have all these streams saved. Damn. Nice. Fantastic. I think soon we'll be able to stream on the Metaverse. Metaverse? Yes, I think soon we'll be able to trade on Metaverse. All of us. We'll sit around and we're gonna straight trade on Metaverse straight to our brains. It's gonna be very, very interesting. The amount of opportunities that are gonna come up through this is just unreal. You know, yeah, I think it's gonna be amazing with our whole virtual reality world. But this is the future right here, man. Trust me. This is the future. Metaverse. This is where our kids are gonna be on in the next 15 years, you know, 10 years. What are your criteria for impulse entry versus waiting for a candle to close? My criteria for an impulse entry would have been if this current previous candle, it had a wick to the top, and if this candle can break above this wick, that would have been my criteria to impulse entry for price to move up. But there's little to no wick above that candle, so I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close, especially on a 15-minute time frame. First time ending the month on my live account in profit, 2.6%. Oh, very nice, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Gold is just consolidating. So this is going to be goat shit. Let me put it right over here. Goat shit. This is a goat shit range. Let's see if you can. Yeah, that's the biggest one we can get. Goat shit. Don't trade this area. Don't trade this area. Because if you trade, let's say you trade above here, you have another resistance right here. This is on the 1 hour time frame. And then you have another one right here. And then you have another one right here. And if you measure these ranges, you measure the distance. This is what? 15 pips? Nothing. Especially you got these rejections here as well. Then you got another one, 14 pips. Then you got another one, 19, 20 pips, with a lot of rejections here. But once we break above 1804, you have this 60 pip range up to fill that wick. So it's better to fill the wick up over there. Are you shorting GJ? Hunter Thompson, shut down this stream and go enjoy your Friday. There's no reason to be here with that sort of a question. Are you shorting GJ? We're bullish, man. There's no opportunity to sell. I mean, you should have an algo where you take a trade. The algo takes the opposite trade with a higher risk, and then you make money at the end of the day. Oh, are we shorting? Yeah, we're gonna continue moving till 157, 100. That's another story if it gives a confirmation above that area on the 15-minute or not, because it's about to close in 7 minutes.
Yeah, look at the 1 hour right there.
Yeah, it's clean.
I'm in profit because of the 1 hour. I waited for that. You see that wick? As soon as we started breaking above, because we're in a high volume. Yeah.
Very nice, Joel. Very nice. Can you send the link of the recorded streams to the Gulag? I don't know. I think it's too early to have it sent to the Gulag. I just don't trust you guys. That's all. That's the whole reason. Let's take a look at Forex Factory over here. I don't trust the Gulag. Some nasty people over there. All right, we have GDP for CAD. We have core PCE. I'm not sure it's going to have much of an impact. I think the news events that happen at 8:30, which have low impact, they get moved over to the volume when you have the NYSE open. And then you have Treasury Currency Report. I don't know what this is. Rapid release time. Provided have you global exchange policies. Oh, yeah, it's also Friday. You know, a lot of things can happen on Friday. We've seen some big moves happen on Friday. We've seen nothing happen on Friday. So yeah, I mean, if we look at the weekly, we're not sure whether this weekly is going to close. Here's the thing, right? If we're looking at this weekly candle, and if we believe there's going to be volume on Friday, the question is, will this weekly candle close a strong bullish candle, or will it close a weak bullish candle? Strong bullish candle means it's going to continue bullish on the small time frames. Weak one is going to mean it's going to move down on the smaller time frames. Here we got 5 minutes left here for the 15-minute candle to close. This whole area is a rejection area right here. When will it come to Nigeria or African country? I'm not sure. Probably sometime next year. May want to go to the African safari or something like that. Maybe from Metaverse I can visit Africa. I don't know. I don't know the possibilities. There we go. Gold is also just, yeah. What is Metaverse? Google it. I'm not sure how the best way to, I think the best way to explain it is it's a virtual. All right, let's listen to this from Marky Mark. Yes, I'm happy. Marky Mark is going to explain it.
Imagine you put on your glasses or headset and you're instantly in your home space. It has parts of your physical home recreated virtually. It has things that are only possible virtually. And it has an incredibly inspiring view of whatever you find most beautiful.
Hey, are you coming?
Yeah, just gotta find something to wear.
This is awesome.
All right, perfect. Oh, hey, Mark. Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
What's up, Mark?
Whoa, we're floating in space? Huh? Who made this place? It's awesome.
Right? It's from the crater I met in LA.
This place is amazing.
Boz, is that you?
Of course it's me. You know I had to be the robot, man.
I thought I was supposed to be the robot.
Whoa.
I knew you were bluffing.
Hey, wait. Where is Naomi?
Let's call her.
Naomi.
Hey, should we deal you in?
You guys, listen.
But you gotta see what's gonna look at it.
Got this forest room.
Beast is going crazy.
There's something I gotta get back to. All right, so that's a glimpse of a few ways that we're gonna be able to get together and socialize.
Metaverse, this is what it's going to be like. So you've seen those memes, right? Where guys are on their phones and it's just on their phone to phone. Metaverse will be like this. This will be Metaverse. That's it. Just sitting, chilling, and then just, hey man, hey, that's a cool robot suit, man. Oh, hey, oh, you're a dolphin today. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Amazing fins you have, man. Oh, those gills. Where'd you get them from? Wish.com? Man, amazing gills in the dolphin suit, bro. Oh, nice. Oh, hey, Daniel Savage. Oh, you got new hair.
I think he will not even have hair in Metaverse, bro.
That's what's going to be like on Metaverse. It's wearing these things and oh, man.
But this is terrifying.
That's where we're going to spend most of our time, you know, and we're just going to be happy. It's, yeah.
I think people will, you know, just chilling, maybe have no ambitions more in life, you know, because you have everything in your not real world, you know, sitting, chilling, seeing all these things, buying. I mean, perfect consumer, maybe in my eyes.
Yeah, that's correct. That's exactly it. The perfect consumer. That's like, if you look at it from a business perspective, it's going to bring in a lot of money for like software developers, for a lot of like virtual reality worlds. It's going to be sick. Like, yeah,
ads, you know, you can, when you maybe sell a bed, you know, bedrooms, you can, you know, place them, make adverts. I mean, crazy.
Yep. Pretty interesting. All I'm looking at it is from a business perspective, and how can you become an entrepreneur in that space, like, you know, try to sell stuff over there. That's how I look at it as. Like, I mean, if you look at Facebook, they have like 1 billion users, and imagine if only like, let's say 200 million are on there or 400 million are on there. I think it's going to be, yeah, I think it's going to be very, very sick. That's where, yeah,
It's supposed to be big.
yeah, it's going to be huge.
For the US Treasury, around tentative like 8:30 or so, 9. Last time it's only released twice a year. It's supposed to be last time it released was August 12th. It shot off 30 points.
30 points on gold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's only released twice a year, so I'd imagine with them pumping so much fucking money, I would imagine gold would go bullish again. At least go back up to 1830, at least retest 1808. But granted, it's Friday, so like you said, anything could happen.
Yeah, we'll see. We
But
shall
it's a good
see.
shit. Go shit range.
Yeah, it's a go shit range. Yeah, but like, in reality, like these ranges are only broken when there's a lot of volume. So you may be right, you know? Like you may be right. Like the only reason we're gonna have volume is gonna be through this news or with like, you know, core PC, whatever that is. These ranges will be broken, but with a lot of volume. That's when you see just one solid candle rip through price.
Yeah, that's what I'm up and up since 5. I mean, obviously, it's way too fucking early waiting for it, but I know something stupid should happen today.
Yeah. Skynet already the name of China's sovereign system? Oh, yes. Let's see here. Wouldn't you impulse buy gold because it tends to run and pass 1800 level? No, I'm not trading today. It's end of the week. It's end of the month. You know, I don't want to risk a loss at the end of the month and the end of the week. I'm going to feel like a dumbass if I do that. So I'm just going to chill. I'm only here for a little while, maybe for another 45 minutes, and then I'm going to go off and start my weekend. So you see the 15-minute candle, it kind of closed at the same area where we rejected before after Asian Open. So I think it's kind of important to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Even, you know, that's going to be the 15-minute candle close. It's also going to be the 1 hour candle close. Because we do have clean range here to the left hand side. So maybe the next 1 hour can dip down and continue moving up over here. Let's see. It's time to withdraw demo profits in the Metaverse. Yeah, I think you could do that. Maybe withdraw demo money in the Metaverse. Who knows? I think it's going to be like The Sims. Like, you guys played The Sims? The Sims? It's going to be like The Sims, where you're a character and you build your own home and you go to a virtual job. You make virtual money, you buy virtual things, and you're just happy. The Sims is like 12 years ago, 13 years ago. I have no idea. What do you think of gold sells below the 30-minute low? No, not interested. Not interested. Even though it's like a bigger range, but not interested at all in that. Probably much more interested in a bigger move, a bigger opportunity below 1791. That's a much bigger opportunity. You know, when you're trading, respect yourself as a trader to look for bigger opportunities, bigger trades, not these small range trades. Look for like bigger range trades if you can kind of wait for that. So that's why patience plays a huge role. Because think about this, right? Just look at the price action right now in gold. We moved up, clean candle, moved down, clean candle. If price moves down more, right? Let's say we move down more on this candle. Let's say we come over here, and then the next candle, like, you know, comes down over here. And then let's say we create some sort of a, like, you know, let's say we create some sort of a support like this, right? What do you have now to the left hand side? You have clean candles, for the next candle to go up. Right now your ranging range, it becomes a clean range where your range becomes like 40, 45 pips at this point. So that's why it's important to wait for price to print something you can recognize and you've seen before. I generated a code text to send it from my friend's wallet. He wanted to know which exchange is on your side. BTC is regular BTC. I don't think, or I don't have any knowledge if BTC has different, I don't know, like things like Omni, and I don't know what you're saying, but BTC is just BTC. It's another thing if you're trying to send what's that, USDT where there's Omni and ERC20 and all that stuff, but from my knowledge is BTC.
Oh, the Gulag.
No, someone sent a private message here to Zoom. Let me just.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I kind of missed the Gulag.
Gulag was your home, man. You came right here
for almost a year, dude. You kidding me? I was in that chat for fucking years.
Yeah.
I thought this was only a year time release. I was like, you gotta be kidding me? You can buy it now.
Yeah.
Like, what a dumbass.
Holy, so you were too used to it. Well, you can open the YouTube chat on the side too.
I didn't know. Well, I looked in the thing and it'd be it was on your link tree or whatever it was on your Instagram.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I found it. Yeah, do you know Andy Peters?
Andy Peters, yes.
Yeah, so I'm actually good friends with him in chat, and we're just one day we were going to pick up a Winnebago, and we were just watching you live one day. I was like, son of a bitch, this is pretty damn good. So I've been hooked ever since.
Oh, damn, nice. Yeah,
I made like $300 on the way to get the car. I was like, fuck yeah, this is awesome.
Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know him, but I know of him. Like I've seen him around social media and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, really good guy. When I lived here in chat, when I first moved here, the people I lived with kicked me out because Corona.
Oh.
And he took me in for like 2 months.
Oh,
and
nice.
Taught me how to trade. I was like, all right, cool, dude.
He's like, hey, come over here. Let me teach you how to trade.
Yeah, let's get you out of the Gulag.
Nice. Why was gold moving so crazy yesterday? I have no idea. Didn't look at the charts at all yesterday. But I did see these moves over here yesterday. I'm like, thank God I was away. Yeah, I had no clue what was happening yesterday. But yesterday is yesterday. We got to focus on today. Lahore Bootcamp, why cancelled? Yes, it's cancelled. But it's going to happen for 1 day. 1 day. 1 day it will be for 1 day. Are you planning on any discounts on Market Fluidity? Market Fluidity never ever goes on a discount. So you can wait for that one, which will be forever. Create a Smurf account in the Gulag. Oh, yes. Yeah, I mean, 7 minutes left for this hour to close. Nothing. How about Philippines? Philippines, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I want to go to Philippines and Thailand since it's not that far away now. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This is... Wait for closure above 159 buys. Yeah, makes sense. Do you actively look for news to trade and focus on? No, but when I first started trading, I used to obsess over every news event that may or may not come out. You know, like let's say we have employment cost index and personal income. I would just look up personal income and I would like, you know, look at it and study it and see if it's gonna move price or not, or how many times it has moved price in the past, right? You can see the frequency here, and I would really obsess over all of this. And then as I grew, I think as I got more mature into the markets, I realized that most of the news is just a waste of time to really study them to see if they move price or not. Because like most of your price action moves are going to happen when there's going to be no news, right? Apart from the fact, like let's say you have a big interest rate change and then you're seeing like big trends happen, or you have like a massive NFP, not NFP, yeah, NFP move, and you see that trickle down onto the next week. That's another thing. But like these small news here and there, which are not that frequent, I think they're just a waste of time, like for someone to really look into that and see why it's happening, why it's like, really making a difference and all of that. Unless it's your job to kind of look at those stuff. Probably in USDT, you are right. Last time I sent BTC directly from online provider, but this time they sent my money back. Same PO box. It should be comment secure right now. It's page expiry date. Oh, profitable FX. I have no idea. If you can get it done with BTC, do it. If not, then don't bother. That's just too much waste of a time of a discussion here. What do you think about the topic unrealized tax? It's the government's way of making more money. Let's say you're holding a position, you earn profits, they will tax it. But if you're in drawdown, they won't worry about it. They're like, well, the guy's in drawdown, whatever. Let's just wait till he goes back in profit. Squid Game's cryptocurrency jumped nearly 25,000% in under a week. Oh, nice. Why to deal, Raja? Why to deal with emotions? What? Why to deal with emotions? I remove. Oh, how to? I think you meant how to. I remove stop loss whenever in drawdown, and I revenge traded a lot. It's been more than a year. Have blown multiple accounts. Well, just do the opposite, right? When price goes in drawdown, don't remove your stop loss, and don't revenge trade, and you're gonna see a different result. That's it. Just do the opposite with your, because like to see a change, you need to make a change in your own behavior when it comes to the charts. You're going to overtrade, you're going to have the same results. You're not going to overtrade, all of a sudden in 2 months, 3 months, your entire results are going to change and you're going to surprise yourself. Is $15,000 account good? Yeah, I mean, sure. That's all right. 15,000. Don't you think if the GJ candle closed red, it makes sense it's a fake out to take sell if it breaks the low? Go ahead, take it, take the sell. Where are you selling into? This is all consolidation right here. This is all consolidation. You guys need to stop taking risky trades. Risky, what's the word? Analysis that's more risky. Stop taking those trades. Look for like easy analysis trades. That sell you're talking about, even if that may work out, that's still a risky analysis trade. Look for a trade maybe below 156,400. If you look to the left hand side, 156,400, you have one candle that went up. This is still easier than what you're trying to sell over here, even if it does work out. It's just easy to just wait. That's it.
Can you open the chart, Raya? The one that I sent like on Zoom.
Let's see here. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, yeah, there we go. GJ swing.
Yeah, we explained that one yesterday, and actually many people took it. And what we're expecting is to reach that top level, because if you notice at the bottom, we have the 4-hour structure rejecting 3 times the weekly zone. So that's an indicator that the probabilities are there for visiting, that one, 157.25. But if we reject this area, where you see these huge wicks right now, now the probabilities are going to shift, and that would mean that next month we might see, maybe even a higher correction. But right now, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, makes sense. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, thank you. You no longer do Forex trade recaps? No, it takes too much time. What's the analysis on gold? Looks like sells from daily 4 hour to the wicks. Daily 4 hour to the wicks. Yeah, the analysis is goat shit, basically. Nothing. Stay away from this. Just rough. All right. I'm just going through some comments here from YouTube. Newspaper online. This guy is a scammer. Look at the bad reviews and complaints. Does not even trade with real money trades. Oh, nice. Thanks. Perfect. Scammer Central over here. Is there a difference between market fluidity intake, market fluidity during market commission? No, there's no difference. Which is better, backtesting or forward? What? Which is better, backtesting or forward testing? What do you recommend? I recommend this thing right over here. Soft porn. Okay, soft for FX. This is what I recommend. I've been using this since 2016. We're in 2021 right now, and this is the only thing I've used. But there's only one regret I have. You know, since I started using this from 2016, thousands and thousands of people downloaded this. Even I wish I had an affiliate link. I would have made probably somewhere in 5 figures, maybe 20,000-30,000 from affiliate, but I didn't. But yeah, this is what I use. Software effects. In case someone asks for the link, here we go. Sometimes I think people in Gulag are half paraplegic. Sorry.
I mean, you're not wrong. I was once there.
Yesterday there was okay, so there was a review on market fluidity, Forex Peace Army. Yeah, there was a review on Forex Peace Army yesterday. Think if I can find it over here. Let me find it here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, okay. This guy was really mad that I referred to people in YouTube as the Gulag, and he got really upset about it. I'm like, come on, man. All right, come on, I'm human. Click the boats. Boat.
Come on, man. Sheet.
Boat. All right, verify. Come on. All right, yeah, there we go. Okay, Colin Raja. I don't think he is a bad trader. Okay, perfect. That's good. My point of manner, he responded every class, condescending students, blah blah blah. He regularly refers to the men and women in the chat people as the Gulag. I've said something in the comments. I guess he was ignored, so he got really pissed off about it. A simple definition: online system of labor camps, blah blah blah. History.com, conditions of Gulag were brutal. It's not necessary for him to refer to others in this manner. Generation has no idea what a Gulag is. Man. Do you guys even know the history behind the Gulag? Why you guys are called the Gulag?
Did he mention the Soviet Union?
Yeah, this guy went deep, man.
1930?
He went deep.
1955.
Wow.
Yeah, this is
People
where
died in the Gulag system.
This is where the Gulag came from. The Gulag in Call of Duty. Gulag refers to Call of Duty Warzone map where two people play. So the whole idea was, so we were playing a lot of Call of Duty at that time, right? And the loser would be sent to the Gulag. So yeah, so that's where it came from, that people in the YouTube chat are all in the Gulag because they're learning how to trade. So most of them are losing, so trying to make them win. And this guy went in a whole escapade over here. History.com stuff and all that. I'm like, man, you're way in too deep over here. Yeah, Mr. Faith Defender. He's registered.
Yeah. 1930. Yep. Registered Gulag.
Registered. Refers to students as people in the Gulag. These guys aren't even my students, man. Come on. You are perceived as arrogant and impolite 100%. Oh, I'm sorry, man. What about the market?
Yeah.
Market is 1,000% arrogant and impolite.
Market does not care about you at all.
I care about your comments and I answer them. Markets doesn't even give a shit about you, man.
Markets are gonna take all your money if you let it take all your money.
Yeah, you guys are such snowflakes there. Like, seriously. All these people who think I'm impolite and arrogant, if you were alive maybe 10 years ago, at this age you are right now, you would have just said, oh, this is the worst place to live. This world's just so mean and so cruel. Trust me, 10 years ago was a whole different world than what you see right now.
That Modern Warfare game chat.
Oh, yeah. Is Microfluidity open to new students right now? If you can find it, you can find it. I want to make a request to you to please arrange Lahore Bootcamp for 3 days. I just can't happen. Very, very, very tough. Very tough. Maybe in the near future, yes, but so far, very tough. Is the best, Raja is the best. He reminds me of my high school math teacher. Man, my math teacher, I remember in high school, he used to slap us silly. It may feel weird to you kids right now to hear this, but man, this one time, this kid was throwing those spitballs on the wall while he was teaching. This guy looked back. He's like, "You doing what?" And he ran, he climbed and jumped over the table and he started smacking him in the back of his head. And the kid had his head like this. He's just smacking and smacking. And we're all just laughing. We're laughing and the kid puts his head up and he starts laughing. He's like, ha ha. But if you do that now, oh man, social services, child cruelty, that teacher's gone. You know, that's the world I grew up in, man. Grew up like perfectly normal, you know, not a snowflake at all.
Did you hear about the kids giving the teachers lap dances?
No, I didn't. That didn't happen in Pakistan.
In Kentucky. No, hell no. You kidding me?
Yeah, I don't know.
Fuck no.
All right. The parents told teachers to whack us. Yes, that's correct. That is correct. You went and told your parent that your teacher smacked you. The parent would say, well, you must have done something stupid. Hello, Raja. Just a suggestion for Magic Keys. Can we get a button or custom to put a stop loss to an already... What? Can we get a button to put a stop loss to an already open trade? If you have a trade open with no stop loss, there can be no button to automatically put a stop loss for you. You need to have a stop loss defined before you even open the trade. So that's going to be very, very tough. Please repeat the discussion about gold. Sorry, I missed it. Thank you, Raja. I think you can go back to the YouTube. Just scroll back and you can look at that discussion. Yeah, it was explained in a very well detailed manner. Finally, I've been waiting all day for this live. I just watched an old video of yours on wick fills. Oh, nice. The last bar bender. Very nice. Welcome, welcome. What I get for a lifetime membership? Nothing. What do you think about USDJPY? Let's take a look over here. Just for the record, I don't like talking about market fluidity and all that course stuff. I think it's very cringy. I don't like talking about that on YouTube. That's why I just say, yeah, if you can find it, go get it. And answers like those. All right, USDJPY. Daily is bouncing off of a support. Weekly candle is about to close. Let's take a look at that. Weekly is okay. Rejecting, no problem. 4 hour is coming up to a resistance area around 113.830, and that is 8 pips away. 8 pips away. So this is going to be a better opportunity right here on USD yen, the dollar yen. Above, I would say like what, 113.850. You got clean candles to the left hand side. 30 pip range, 27 pip range. Let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. Looking left hand side, yeah, you could. There's a big potential to continue till 114. That is, oh, 12 pips, 13 pips. That's USD JPY for you. That's for people who don't like a lot of volume, who don't like a lot of volatility. So that's it right there. Not enough ranges. Will you go back to Canada permanently? No. I still have investments there, so probably, just once a year and then come back for about a week, 2 weeks.
Raja, how is traveling right now?
How's traveling right now? Great.
I mean, so I was thinking about going to London. I'm not sure if that's smart.
Oh yeah, man. You can travel. Travel, no problem. Travel if you have to. I went to Miami in March 2020. And people were looking at me as if I'm a retard. The lady at the airport looked at my passport. She's like, "You're from Canada?" I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "What are you doing over here during a pandemic?" I'm like, "Oh, I have a family meeting." Went to London September 2020, no problem. Traveling was super simple. The only good thing was me flying to Miami. There were maybe 8 passengers on the plane. So they all made us sit, half of us, we sat in the front, half of us, we sat in the back to evenly distribute the weight on the plane because they couldn't have all of us at one place. We thought that they were dispersing us due to the thing, but no, they're like, "Oh, no, it's about the weight distribution."
Were you on a boat?
The boat?
Bulk.
Oh, bulk? Nah, I don't think what that means.
Yeah, I remember you that day. I was talking to you. We were gonna meet and everything. And when I saw the thing you travel, I said, "Man, this guy is fulfilled. Like he's ready to die." I mean, he's met his purpose, I guess.
Man, I booked my tickets 2 months ago, and I couldn't let them go to waste. I was like, "Nah, it's happening." Whoever came to that boot camp in Miami, man, they took a big risk. They were go-getters. There was one person, she flew in from Montreal. I was like, "Wow, you flew in from Montreal." Yeah, nothing happened. What's up? Is it smart to risk 30% per trade? No, it's not. Do you look at any other confluences with your zones? No, not at all. Just the way the candles close. So you can see right now the 30-minute candle, it created a resistance here. So you may want to wait for another one to close above. Can you look at GBP USD? Okay, let's take a look at it. Oh, ugly. Let's take a look on daily. Daily is wicking. 4-hour candle's about to close in like an hour and 45 minutes. We have a support. We have a resistance. 1 hour, probably a better resistance is up over here around 1.38. Yeah, that's it. 1 hour, we need to break above this area to continue up. I mean, the best way to analyze charts is to look at your 4-hour time frame, plot your support resistance, and then look at, okay, if we break the zone, where's the next area looking to the left-hand side where we can reach? So if on the 1 hour time frame, if we can break above here, the next area is maybe like 22, 23 pips away. And then we have this consolidation over here. We ain't trading today as it's month end, so will we be trading at month start? I don't know about we, but I can only talk about me. So possibly yes, I will be. Entry as a 30-minute flipped. Oh, nice, very nice. Very nice, Brandon. I'm down 40% on my capital. Well, you need to take a look at the mistakes you made. You need to take a look at the losses you took. You need to take a look at if you overtraded, if you over-risked. If you took a loss and you ended up taking 5 more losses after that, you need to look at those things as well. Will you do Miami again? Right now, life in Florida is normal. Yes, probably in April. Oh, that's spring break. I don't know. Let's see. What do you think about trading with Fibonacci? I think it works. I think all strategies work. Here's the thing, right? Whatever strategy you learn or you go off of in the start, it all works. You know, theoretically, every strategy has a probability that it will work. The only problem is that people don't stick to one way of trading long enough to have that statistical edge, like to say, okay, like, you know what, I've been trading this thing for about 6 months, you know, and out of those 6 months on this one strategy, I've won X amount of trades or I've lost X amount of trades. What you guys do is you'll stick to one thing for about, let's say, 1 week, 2 weeks, and then you're going to see losses, and then you're going to go on, jump on to some more new things, right? So you need to focus on one strategy and let that strategy mature with the way you trade. If you don't let the thing mature, it's just not going to work, and then nothing's going to work, you know, which is why we do these live streams, and I really focus on the way candles close above zones, the way candles close below zones, because whoever comes to the live streams, you know, most of the guys have been here for about, let's say, like a year on average. So these things have matured in your head to know, okay, this simplicity does work. So if you go to someone who does, like, you know, Fibonacci's or divergences and all that, it may work for them because they've been doing that for about, let's say, a year, 2 years, 4 years. So it has matured with them. So you need to give things time. Someone's saying, look at gold. There's nothing to look at. I'm waiting for price to break below this area. That's it. All right, let's take a look at this area. Oh, pound yen. Bullish scenarios. Scenario 1, retest 156.50 while retest and look for down entry to 157. Okay. Oh, retest to continue up. Deeper liquidity grab, not expecting this to go all the way down. Okay. I do think we're still moving bullish because we've retested 156 a lot. Look at the amount of times we've retested 156. One over here, 27th October, all the way through New York session. Then over here, 27th again during New York session. Then after London closed, retested this again, London session, retested this again, New York yesterday. So even on the daily, you look at this, look at the amount of retests we've had at 156. Boom, boom, boom. So all this liquidity grabbed here, it has to go somewhere. You know, so I do think in the next week or so we may continue up till 158. Retest that, and Joel is nodding like a salesman, so it means I'm right. Joel's like, yep. A very strong level over there, 156. Does the 20 pip range below 1784? 1780, 84 or 94? I think 94. Yeah. No, not at all. I mean, if this was, let's say, Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, I may anticipate it, a break of this low right here to continue down and execute it. But, you know, since it's the end of the week, may hunt for a bigger move below 1791. Why do people show off wins but not losses? I don't know. You become profitable in that strategy. Yeah, if you spend enough time in any strategy, you're going to become profitable. That's what I believe. All right, here we go. Market is messy and sideways. Yes, that's correct. I do some experiment with $100 account and trade it when I got high. Trust me, that account burned to the ground on third week. Yes, that's usually what happens. GJ is gunning it. I don't think so. It's gunning it at all. It's not even doing anything at this point. Its strategy and trading plan is the same. Trading plan involves your strategy. Trading plan also involves your risk management, the pairs you're going to trade, the time you're going to trade, and all that. Yeah, what a waste of an hour over here. How can I buy magic keys from commission on Dominion Markets? You need to email incentives@dominionmarkets.com. What's this? Hey, Raja, will you be live today? Yes, we are live right now. Are you sure Forex is sustainable? That is a very broad question. That Forex trading is a business. You know, you have to manage risk. You have to make a plan. That's like saying, is selling burgers a sustainable business? You know, and you got to ask yourself, is it or is it not? You build a good brand. You are consistent with selling burgers with one recipe. Of course, it's going to be sustainable. You know, I'm back. Welcome, Martin. Why has the market been sus this week? It is what it is. Why did you move to Pakistan? A lot of reasons, which, yeah, a lot of reasons. It's going to be a lengthy topic. We are entering the matrix. Yes. Does your character affect your trading psychology? Yes, it does. I have a very impatient personality, so scalping works for me amazingly. Did you trade the news today? No. I was taking a nap during that time. When are you coming back down to London? February. All right, GJ 30-minute candle is about to close in 9 minutes. 15-minute candle is also about to close in 9 minutes. We are at resistance. So you gotta wait for price to break and close above 156.900. That's gonna be better. Views on Meta? Yes. Metaverse? I'll be all over it. Metaverse. I think it's interesting. You can create a lot of things in Metaverse. Gold is also about to
Did they launch it or not yet?
Not yet. Not yet. What is your present equity? Thanks in advance. It's all right. Comfortable. You think that 157 is a strong resistance or a flat number? For a flat number, yes. 157, I think we can reach up to 157.070. This is where we had a rejection before we had that move down on pound yen, you know. So I think we should get to that area if we break above 156.900. Gold can also now continue bearish here. Clean candles, but a better sell is going to be below this area. Better to wait, better to wait. Have you been trading the same strategy over the years, or minor changes here and there, but mostly it's just been the same? You know, minor changes have just been based on some losses taken, so kind of like, you know, tweaked a few things here and there, incorporated some risk-averse strategies, like, you know, trying to keep losses small and all that risk-averse stuff. But mostly it's just been the same.
Hey, Raja. Good
Hey,
morning.
Brandon. Good morning.
I just looked across this quote about trading, and it said if you focus on wins, then your equity is gonna suffer. But if you focus on losses and really focus on risk management, then your equity is gonna go up. And it's pretty true.
Yes. Yeah, that's absolutely true. Very, very true. Do you think core PI today could move gold? No idea. No idea. Not even looking to trade here today. I mean, if we make a support around 1793 with this candle going clean move down, then we could move up, break below 1791, 92 to continue down. But other than that, not looking to trade today at all. It's the end of the week. It's the end of the month. Just take this day as a chilling day. Take a day off. Yeah, nothing to do. I'm probably going to leave in about 5 minutes over here to maybe, what's the word? encourage others to leave as well, but that's the thing. What do you think about Anthony's world? He bashes you a lot. It's okay. After we enter the market, the candle closed above resistance and next candle make a wick, then flip to the downside. That's correct. You think we can tap 500 today? 500? 500 where? 157, 500? Oh, that's through a lot of problems over here, unless there's a big breaking news on pound yen, because we got to break above 157, 070, 157, 100. We got to break above 157, 200, and then we got to go to 157, 500. Yeah, it's pretty far away. If you didn't do the live streams of Market Fluidity, would you sit here for your session looking for trades? Yes. Yes. How to link MT5 account to terminal. How to link MetaTrader account to terminal.
Oh gosh.
Just leave this stream, man. Just hit the X button and unsubscribe and just
It's a noob.
Here comes another review.
Yeah, just press Alt F4. That's it. It's gonna connect it. Jesus Christ, man. How many number of pairs
Do me a favor.
Yeah, what's that? What favor?
And leave the stream.
Hey, listen, I'm not arrogant, okay? I mean, you gotta know how to do that before you come over here. There are dumb questions. They are dumb questions.
It's like the Soviet Union, man.
Yeah. Oh, today this guy Raja Banks, he was rude to somebody who asked him a simple question. He told them to
Then
leave.
He referred to me as a gulag.
Yeah. He told me to leave. I'm like, okay. That's like when you come to a chemistry class, do I mix potassium in water? Are we supposed to do this? No, man. For people who don't know, that's going to cause a big explosion. You don't mix potassium in water. Yeah, I don't do that.
Remember in school when they when they said that there's no stupid questions?
Yeah.
But there are stupid questions though.
Yeah. These days, you can't even fail a grade up until you're in grade 6. Oh, no, you still can't. You still can't now. If you're a dumb kid...
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, man. How are you?
What's going on? How you doing, brother?
Oh, nothing, man. Just about to leave in about 5 minutes.
Yo, enjoy your day, my man. Appreciate everything you do.
Hey, man. Appreciate you.
I think your parents can hold you back. Still.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
Man, I want to keep you in the gulag.
Man, I remember we were in 5th grade and my best friend failed class and we went over to 6th grade and he stayed in the 5th grade. And then we went into 7th grade, he failed it again and he stayed in the 5th grade. But then they moved him up to 6th grade because he was so tall. They were like, nah, we're just going to move him up a little bit.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. What are your biggest lessons from Forex? Yeah, don't overtrade and don't over risk.
Yeah, it requires lots of energy trading. It's just pretty stressful.
Yes.
Yeah, you got to control your emotions. That's how I blew my first account.
Yeah.
Didn't have a stop loss. I was one lot deep on EOD. And I fell asleep on a stream. Fucking woke up negative $4 grand. Freaking the fuck out.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it was bad. Yeah, EOD was at 1.96. I was waiting for it to go to 2.0.
Would you start
And
hyperventilating?
oh, dude, I remember I woke up 3 in the morning. Everyone's in shorts. And I'm like, what are y'all freaking out about, dude? I'm negative. And they're like, you're not in shorts? I'm like, no, I'm in long still. You know, you don't have a stop loss? I was like, no.
I'm waiting for it to return.
Yeah. And I fell asleep. And then Anthony's World, he goes, give me your account and I'll fix it. He got it all the way out of drawdown and brought it back up to like 10 grand.
Oh, nice.
And he's like, hey man, I'm hedged. You're kind of fucked. I was like, thanks. But it was pretty cool that he could actually, do that. But yeah, that's when I first started.
What's this? GJ is flying. GJ is not flying. GJ is like a little bird trying to fly. What time frame are you looking at? Not even the 1 minute is pushing up.
Maybe the milliseconds.
Yeah, I think you can get that on TradingView, the 1 second time frame.
But anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off over here. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. My weekend is just gonna start here in about 5 minutes. So take care, be safe, and love to all.
Thank you, boss. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you very much.
Peace out, everybody.
Raja.
Peace out.
Thank you, Raja. Have a good
Hey,
weekend.
take care, Dyden.
1%.
Yeah.
Goodbye,
We got a
goodbye.
robot in there.
Oh,
Yeah, we got robot. Bye, Gulag. Take care. Have fun.